Number 1. 1993 Ford F-150, price $10,500. Powered by a dependable 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Showing 135,000 miles on the odometer, the truck sports a white exterior over a gray interior that remains in good overall condition. The vehicle has benefited from extensive recent mechanical work, ensuring it is ready for the road. Highlights include a rebuilt powertrain control module, PCM, a newly installed EGR valve, a fresh tune-up, new brakes and calipers, and a newer battery. To preserve the load floor, a fresh spray-in bedliner has also been applied. Furthermore, the automatic transmission was reportedly rebuilt approximately 1,500 miles ago. The exterior paint shows some area peeling and paint loss. The tailgate has a few minor dings, and there is a small chip in the windshield. Mechanically, it exhibits a slight rough idle that likely stems from needing an injector cleaning, and the air conditioning system will require a standard service and recharge to blow cold again. Number 2. 1995 Ford F-250, price $9,995. The truck is a clean-titled, accident-free rear-wheel drive heavy-duty pickup featuring a clean Carfax report and showing just 120,000 miles on the odometer. Built with a spacious 8-foot-long bed, this truck is powered by a massive 7.5-liter 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It comes finished in a striking red exterior over a well-kept gray interior. Designed for convenience and utility, the vehicle comes equipped with power steering, power windows, and power locks, alongside dual fuel tanks for extended range and a tow package ready for hauling trailers. Inside the cab, the heating and air conditioning systems work amazingly well to keep the drive comfortable year-round. With a solid mechanical foundation and a classic mid-90s design, this F-250 delivers a strong combination of dependability, comfort, and functional muscle. Number 3. 1994 Ford F-150, price $6,500. The truck is a remarkably clean and well-cared-for two-wheel drive that highlights classic 90s design and dependable V8 performance. Beneath the hood rests a reliable 5.0-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, delivering steady and confident power. Showing a reasonable 140,000 miles on the odometer, this truck features a bold red exterior finish that stands out nicely on the road, complemented by a set of stylish custom wheels wrapped in good, road-ready tires that enhance both its stance and overall ride quality. Inside the cab, the tan interior remains in impressively clean condition, offering a comfortable and tidy environment that reflects thoughtful care over the years. The truck runs excellently and shows all the signs of a vehicle that has never been abused, preserving its solid mechanical health and everyday drivability. Combining clean condition inside and out, tasteful custom touches, and proven Ford reliability, this F-150 delivers an outstanding balance of functional muscle, comfort, and classic truck appeal. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, showing just 65,000 original miles on the odometer. This truck has clearly been cherished throughout its life, having never been abused and maintained to high standards. Beneath its smooth automatic transmission lies a dependable gasoline powertrain that runs excellently. The exterior boasts a sleek, timeless silver finish that gives the truck a sharp and understated look on the road. Inside, the well-kept gray interior provides a comfortable driving environment centered around supportive bucket seats, a great feature for both short daily drives and longer cruises. For added everyday convenience, the cab comes equipped with power windows and power door locks. Number 5. 2003 Ford Ranger, price $5,900, showing a low 91,000 miles on the odometer. This compact truck is powered by a reliable 3.0-liter V6 flex-fuel gasoline engine mated to a smooth automatic transmission with a rear-wheel drive setup. The exterior features a bold red paint job surrounding a strong frame and clean body, while the cabin is finished in a well-maintained gray interior. The truck runs and drives great, making it ideal whether used as a daily driver. Along with its impressive mechanical condition and clean single-owner history, combining its low-mileage background, practical extended cab configuration, and solid overall condition inside and out, this Ford Ranger delivers an outstanding balance of utility, longevity, and everyday driving comfort. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. The truck is a clean, dependable, and durable that is fully ready to take on daily driving, hauling, or heavy-duty work. Driven 236,000 miles, this solid truck features a distinctive gold exterior paired with a matching gold interior. Under the hood, its gasoline engine is paired with a smooth automatic transmission, equipped to keep every ride comfortable and capable. The cabin comes with ice-cold air conditioning and an audio radio system for entertainment on the road. The truck also rides on a brand new set of all-terrain tires, giving it excellent traction and confidence across various driving conditions. Combining long-term dependability with practical everyday features, this classic Chevy represents a well-maintained workhorse built to last. Number 7. 1997 Chevrolet S10, price $4,900, powered by a capable 4.3-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission in a two-wheel drive configuration. Showing 213,000 miles on the odometer, this clean title truck features a crisp white exterior free of rust, set off by a black interior. It comes equipped with a brand new set of tires and new brakes. The vehicle runs and drives well, offering plenty of life left for its next owner. In the spirit of complete transparency, the climate control system is currently not working, and the seat fabric shows normal wear consistent with the truck's age and mileage. Overall, with its solid mechanical health, fresh tires, and documented care, the Chevrolet S10 serves as an honest, reliable choice for everyday driving or light work tasks. Number 8. 1985 Chevrolet S10, price $8,500, showing 100,000 miles on the odometer. This truck stands out with a remarkably good, straight body finished in a blue exterior that gives it a clean, timeless presence on the road. Stepping inside, the cabin boasts a striking red interior that creates a bold, head-turning contrast against the blue paintwork, delivering a unique and memorable classic truck aesthetic. Under the hood, this S10 trades its factory power plant for a powerful 355 V8 gasoline engine, giving this lightweight pickup exceptional muscle, enhanced throttle response, and a deep exhaust note. Power is delivered effortlessly through a smooth automatic transmission, making for an enjoyable and engaging driving experience whether cruising down the highway or hitting local car meets. The truck runs and drives great, offering solid mechanical confidence alongside its upgraded performance setup. This custom Chevy S10 delivers a fantastic blend of vintage street truck style, strong drivability, and classic hot rod appeal. Number 9. 1972 Chevrolet C20, price $8,999. Under the hood, this heavy-duty pickup is powered by a small-block Chevy V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and equipped with power brakes. While the odometer reads 167,000 miles, the true total mileage remains unknown. The truck starts and runs, having recently received a brand new carburetor. However, as an older project vehicle, it still requires additional mechanical work and adjustments before it can be considered a dependable daily driver. The exterior body displays authentic patina, including surface rust, paint wear, scratches, dents, and evidence of previous bodywork, while the bed remains solid overall with normal wear and surface corrosion. Inside the cab, the orange-themed interior features a traditional bench seat, an aftermarket tachometer and stereo system, and exposed painted floorboards that show expected wear and rust, being sold strictly as a running project rather than a fully restored vehicle. Number 10. 1976 GMC 1500, price $8,000. The truck is a classic, well-maintained originating from Tennessee that showcases an authentic, beautifully preserved vintage look paired with mechanical upgrades, powered by a dependable 4.1-liter inline-6 gasoline engine mated to a freshly rebuilt turbo 350 automatic transmission. This truck shows a low 85,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives flawlessly on the road. The exterior features an eye-catching blue finish that has been carefully wiped over with a satin poppies patina coating, sealing in its genuine aged character while protecting the underlying metal from further corrosion. Inside, the cab offers a simple and classic black interior, mechanically refreshed for daily reliability and smoother cruising. The vehicle comes equipped with a brand new aluminum radiator, a new water pump, fresh shocks, brand new brakes, and a new set of tires that provide solid traction and ride comfort.